Hi guys, assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well today. So I got this video for you guys. This is basically a hijab tutorial for sari look or any traditional dresses. You can carry this in all the desi dresses and sari and all the heavy occasion we Asian face like Eid or any wedding ceremony. Even a bride can use this because I have used lots and lots of jewelry over here. And yeah, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel and have faith, keep patient, and yeah, let's get started.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. What's left? The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the highways, and on we'll go. And love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
That's it for today guys, and please do comment if you like the video or not, and what do you want to see in further videos. So spread love and be happy.